Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 10x zoom, and let me share with you how to suggest emojis on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down almost to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on keyboard and input method, and it should be on the third position in those additional settings. And now all we have to do is to simply tap on manage keyboards. And that's not here. So let me get back. Here we have to tap on the Gboard, sorry, because the Gboard, as you can see, is our current keyboard. So of course, if you will have any other keyboard applied, I don't know, for example, downloaded and so on, then you will have to tap on the one you are using. So let me tap on the Gboard, and all we have to do right now is to simply find the emojis, stickers and GIFs, or GIFs. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So if we are on those settings, we have to scroll down a little bit to the suggestions section, and on the second position we've got suggestions while typing. We've got the emojis at the very top, let's say, of those two different options. So in my case this option is turned on, but if you've got it turned off, so if it looks just like it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, so it means that your device will suggest you some emojis whilst typing. So actually this is it. This is how to enable emoji suggestions in your OPPO Reno 10x zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.